Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are going to be taking a look and unboxing the newest edition of the Wisdom of the Crone Oracle. A while back, we actually took a look and unboxed the Wisdom of the Crone Oracle that I found at a thrift store, and I fell in love with it, and the authors have reached out to see if we would like to take a look at the newest version, and of course I'm really excited about this. So let's go ahead and dive in. So when you seek the truth, ask the wise woman within. This is published independently by Wise Woman Inc., retailing for $22.50 in the US. And as always, in the description box below, I will have links where you can legitimately purchase should you want to. This exquisite deck of 54 cards contains insightful messages and images of women between the ages of 50 and 100. As leaders, counselors, teachers, grandmothers, and aunties, we now have wisdom and diverse life experiences to offer. Elder women have been present for centuries with the strength and knowledge that has held this world together. We empower you to honor this amazing time of life. Know that you are both wise and beautiful. Wisdom of the Crone was created to guide and inspire women on a daily basis. All right, so let's open her up. Okay. So there is no guidebook because you really don't need one. It has the message on the back of the card. So let's get into it. There's just this little pamphlet here explaining. So Lani and Melinda. We have a single card draw, the Crone's throw. Oh, that's cool. So you put it in a counterclockwise order. With deep gratitude, we honor the amazing women who allowed us into their lives. Their beauty, grace, and wisdom fill each card as if by divine intervention. And then we have some information about them. Melinda Field is the author of 3 wisdom decks, The Journey, Wonder of the Mother, and Wisdom of the Crone. Her novel True has been beautifully received. The Nest of Our Being, the sequel to True, is now available through Wise Women Inc. and Amazon. And Lani Cartwright is a photographic artist who designed The Journey, Wonder of the Mother, and Wisdom of the Crone, and a myriad of other inspirational card decks and projects. All right, let's get into it. I kind of want to get the other out here so we can compare as we go. Oh, so we have thicker borders, smaller pictures, keyword, and then on the back we have the message. Let's just see. Okay, already I really like the font style better. I feel like I can read it a little bit better. Their gloss and the cardstock is nice. I'm not complaining. It's not too thick, not too thin. With that glossy coating though, it will hold up a lot better. Wonderful feeling, like a more memorable and reminiscing feeling. Oh, how cute is that? And I love seeing decks with older women especially because we all age. It is just a wonderful thing about life as we age and we grow, and you know, if we're so lucky to age, I should say. And it's a beautiful thing. There's so much wisdom and knowledge in growing older. I love the keywords. Oh, the succulents. This is a very versatile deck. It's something that you can use as confirmation. It's something that you can use on its own for a daily pull. And you do not have to be 50 to 100 to use this. This is definitely something that is a comfort deck for me. I like to use it for that extra feeling of connection to the people who have passed over in my life. So it's definitely like spending time with your grandma or spending time with your favorite aunt. Full of feminine energy. But it's also very nurturing and comforting. This one reminds me of my grandma. And they're sticking just because of that coating. Oh, so here's laughter in the new and laughter in the old. So for a comparison. All right. So what we'll do is after the flip through, we'll take a look at the card and compare it and read both comparison messages to see what we think. That's so sweet. I love this one. Lots of fun there. So you can tell by the keywords, there's a lot of use for this deck. Maybe we need to check in on our energy to figure out what we need to do for the day, what we need to focus on. Whoop. I like the added seasons and cardinal directions too. We got a Stevie Nicks shawl right here, so that's fantastic. All right, so let's shuffle them. No issues. All right, let's get a card. Oh, that one. So it shuffles just fine. I don't got an issue with it at all. I don't have an issue, I should say. All right, so we are going to take a look at authenticity. All right, the back says, we are all as unique as our thumbprints. Believe in your true nature. Work at breaking down the walls that block the authentic self. Trust that the original you was and is perfect. Know thyself. Okay, so let's find the other one in here. Okay, so this is the original. And it looks like it's pretty much the same message. We are all as unique as our thumbprints. Believe in your true nature. Work at breaking down the walls that protect the authentic self. Trust that the original you was and is perfect. Know thyself. The borders don't bother me too much, but I like the idea of having thinner borders, but that's just me. I do like the fact that they were updated imagery as well, so it's not faded looking, or the words pop out better on the newer version, so I do like that. And I like I said, I really enjoy the newer images. I feel like they're a little bit more vibrant, a little bit more straightforward. Some new, some are the same, but retouched a little bit more. So there's that. And the consistency of the words on the front, I like that as well. So that works better for me. Because sometimes it's a little jarring to go through and have different fonts on the cards, right? So I like that. I fell in love with this deck. I think that it's so great for all ages, beginners on up. It doesn't matter what your experience level is, you can use this. It makes such a great gift because it's not necessarily something that you have to know much about divination to use. And it's just a loving, comforting deck. It's just so beautifully done. It's very gentle, very, it's like wearing a big hug, it's like reading with a big hug. It's just so gentle and nurturing and divine feminine energy all over this. It's fantastic. So I would love to know your opinion on this deck. If it's something that you have, is it something that you are excited to get? Mother's Day is coming up. This would be a wonderful deck for those of you who are mothers. And I just enjoy the fact that it's not a bunch of young, skinny, blonde women on a deck. It's, 50 through 100, and it's just, it encompasses getting older and aging gracefully, and with the wisdom of that comes the advice in the deck. So I think it's just well done. I really do like the newer edition. So thank you so much to Wise Woman Inc. This has been amazing to see the progression. I'm so excited for all of you to create more and wonderful things. So again, thank you so much. And like I said, you guys let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. And while you're in the description box finding the links for this deck, why don't you check out the link tree as well that I have in there. That will give you all of my social media as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings. Thank you so much again, everyone. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.